As you can see, I took off the door handle right here, and it was pretty easy to take it off. To take off this door handle, all you need is one of these right here. Grommet thing here. You can take this off with your fingers. It's not locked in on there. You're going to stick this thing right here inside there, and you're going to twist until it stops. That little thing is going to stop. It's going to free up this little piece here. Once this side is out, pull back like that, and it comes directly out. Now I know in the previous models there was like a cord or a wire or something like that attached to this handle, but on the Gen 2 2019 there's no cord on there. Still can open the door, just got to push forward and it comes right out. There. I was struggling with it because of the vinyl wrap that I just put on here, but it's in there now. So now you just push it forward. So we're going to get a T20. And then you're going to turn it until it stops turning. It's not going anymore. So you tighten it down until it can't turn anymore. Alright, so we're good to go. Close the door.